been a very long time since we had the FRS on the channel. We need to get some work done on that car today, and I think I want to drive it today. It might snow tonight, so I probably shouldn't, but I think I'm gonna send it anyway. This car sat for like 2 months and that battery is still good to go. So clearly the alternator that we swapped out was the problem. You're probably wondering where the headlights are. They are in the back of the car. Sitting nice and pretty, all tucked away. I sent them in back to Lit Lights to get a few things changed out on them. And then I got them back in the mail. I put them on the car and I didn't connect one of the drivers for the Demon Eyes, and I fried one of the Demon Eyes. I connected it right to like the Bluetooth controller, which you're not supposed to do, and it completely fried the Demon Eye. So today I'm gonna swap out the Demon Eye real quick, put the headlights on the car, and then maybe go take it out for the very last time before we get a shit ton of snow. So the only color of the Demon Eye that works right now is blue. Nothing else works. So let's pop the lens off, pull the headlight apart, and swap out the Demon Eye. Shout out to Lit Lights for sending out a replacement. Let's get this thing swapped out. New Demon Eye is in. Headlight should be all sealed up. Hopefully we don't have any leaks. Let's go ahead and throw the car completely back together for the first time in a few months. Just like that, guys, we are back in action. This is the first time this car has been completely together in quite a long time. I'm gonna be taking it out today. I haven't driven this car in a while. Thankfully, we don't have too much snow right now. Hopefully it doesn't snow tonight because this thing won't do anything in the snow. Let's pull this thing out. I do need new tabs for the car. They are expired. I do have to go pay a ticket from the Evo 10 from the exhaust. I got an exhaust ticket the other day, so I gotta go pay that before it's too late and I get an extra fine. And of course, go to the gym, hang out with Bobby. So let's get going. Bobby's over here yelling. I just got to the apartment and she yells. Do you want to tell them why you're yelling?
I'm yelling because it's gonna snow a lot tomorrow and you're driving the FRS and that thing is like barely on the ground.
And you want to know something else? I haven't told you guys either. Both my front tires are showing cords.
Why are you driving that?
Because it's gonna snow and I wanted to drive it one last time.
Would you like me to inform you what time it's going to snow tomorrow?
What time it's going to snow tomorrow?
And that thing is not going to be very good.
I'm pretty sure it's not going to snow till tomorrow night.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that. 7 a.m. 30% chance of snow.
6 a.m. baby.
At 30% chance, that ain't going to be shit. It might be a little millimeter.
You smell like
I smell like
chocolate.
I am chocolate.
That's so far in the nighttime. Wow.
Whatever. If it snows, it fucking snows.
No, baby.
Are you gonna cry about it?
Yes, I am. I am as we speak.
I just woke up, guys. It's the next morning. Bobby was right. We're gonna wake up to some snow. Thankfully, not all that much. By the time we get way up north where the shop is, there's probably gonna be a lot of snow on the ground. So, rear-wheel drive FRS on air ride with like 11 degrees of negative camber and worn out tires, this might make for a pretty freaking interesting drive. This car looks so damn good. Like it is, with all the camber and everything. But I ain't gonna lie, guys, I am kind of getting sick of the camber. I want to change it up to where it's actually fun to drive. I don't know, we'll see. I love these wheels. They look so sick. I also don't think I ever showed you guys all the lights working. So let me throw on these Demon Eyes and show you. The underglow It's all good. Ooh, I'm honestly not a huge fan of that. Pure white is pretty. And then these are the headlights, the boomerang things. Oh my gosh, that looks sick. And then demon eyes are the things we had to fix yesterday. I burnt one out because I didn't connect it to the driver. So my mistake. If you guys run demon eyes, make sure, or any sort of lights, use the damn driver or else they will burn out. So as you can see, all the colors work. That looks pretty sick, just like that. But it's probably illegal to drive like that.
My lord.
You're right.
What was I right about?
The snow.
I told you. And how is your car doing in it?
Pretty damn good.
Really?
Did you see me drift?
No.
I was drifting over there.
I didn't see you, Hoss.
Oh. I've done some really dumb shit in my life before, but I think this one might take the cake. We got like 15 miles more to go. The snow is freaking absolutely coming down. My air ride finally unfroze, so that's a good thing. This is gonna be a long drive, boys. Hopefully we don't get stuck. This hill is the biggest obstacle of them all. I'm trying to find the best route home without taking the highway. And it was this back road, but there's a huge hill we have to go up, which is this one, and we're almost to the top, and then we have to go down a huge freaking hill. Now for the fun part, going down a freaking hill. I am extremely nervous right now, boys. Let's see what we can do. All right, we officially got stuck in the FRS. This hill is super freaking long, and I am gonna have to back down this damn thing, and hopefully no one comes up behind me or in front of me, because I'm taking up the whole freaking road right now. Yeah, we got a long ways to go. I'm gonna see if I can find another way home, because that ain't gonna work. We got another hill up here. This one is a lot more gradual though. I think we can make it up this one just fine. Little pit stop just to look at the car in the snow, take some photos and whatnot. Might as well make the best of it. She's holding together and she looks sexy as hell in the snow, ain't gonna lie. Like I said earlier, I really love how this car looks, but it's so unpractical with like these specs of wheels. They're 18 by 11 and 11 and a half, and they're like negative 30 and negative 60 rear offset. So I'm probably gonna sell them, pick up a different set, like a no camber set, and make this car super fun to drive. We still gotta get home and get this thing back in the shop. What's up, bro? I might as well have some fun while we do this. Slide out the corners. Yay! Alright, well, I don't know what's going on, but we have a check engine light now and an ABS light. We made it up the hill though. It's pretty much a straight shot from here, all flat, to the house, so we should be good to go. I'll update you guys when we get to the driveway, because the driveway is kind of a bitch, but if we can make it up that hill that we just did, we should be good. So my speedo doesn't work anymore. I'm kind of guessing all of that is related, all the lights we just saw pop up, check engine, ABS, speedo not working, traction control light, all that's probably pretty related, and I'm guessing it's a wheel speed sensor. It's probably full of snow, but ow, fuck, that was a big hole. We're home, boys. Hi, dog. What's up, dude? Come on, one last hill. 3 Evos and a Tacoma, and I decided to take the goddamn FRS. Safe to say that was probably the last drive of the year. Let's give the car a really, really good bath. And I've been kind of keeping it outside, unfortunately, just because I've been doing so much Evo stuff. But I'm gonna keep the car backed, or probably face forward under this corner, in this corner, because it'll fit right under the shelf if I air out. I do need to make another video, or maybe I'll just talk about it right now, with like the plans of this car. I'm getting really bored of it. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but I keep talking about it on there. Like, I'm super, super bored of the car. I'm kind of sick of like the stance camber life where it's not all that fun to drive. As you saw, my tires, actually, I don't even know if I showed you guys, but my front tires are down to the cords on the inside because we're running like negative 12 degrees of camber, somewhere around there, 12 to 15 degrees of camber. So I want to change it up for like the springtime, summertime, get a different wheel setup, run like no camber at all, sell beyond bags, and hopefully like make some good power with the car. So that's the plan. I don't know if it's going to happen just because my main focus right now is Evo stuff, obviously. And then we have a new project to work on here soon. So yeah, I don't know if it'll happen, but either way, let's get this thing cleaned up, get a little snow off of it, and get it tucked away for the year. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I am insanely freaking hungry. I'm like shaking because I'm so damn hungry. We have a ton of Evo stuff coming later today on the 8th. So I'll see you guys then. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed today's video. It was interesting.